Guys, today I have a FabFitFun unboxing for you. You guys know that I've been getting these for a long time. I love them. I'm a super fan. One might even say that I'm a mega fan of this box. It is a seasonal box that comes 4 times a year. However, this is the editor's box. This contains all the favorites, all the bestest of the best of the best. First off, before we get started, I want to say a big thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me to bring you guys this video. They are a great company and I love working with them, so thank you guys so much. I mean, just, and it saves you guys $10 off your first box. So then it's $39.99 and it's a value of over $200, and this box never disappoints, guys. It never disappoints. The great thing about the editor's box is now they let you choose, customize, if you will, some of the products in your box. Let's see what's in my box. Even though we just passed the Christmas season, it's like Christmas again. Because, you know, I'm 38 years old, I don't get a lot of Christmas presents, so when I get things like the FabFitFun box, it's like a Christmas present for me. As always, inside the box, they have their magazine, and then everything is nicely wrapped, as you see here. So let's just open up. One of my favorite products from the past has been a big, cozy scarf. And here it is again. I chose this because I wanted to be able to share this with somebody special to me. This scarf is huge and big and delicious, and honestly, you guys, it is the most smushiest, warmest scarf that you'll ever get your hands on in your entire life. This is the Merci, get it, and Co. Cozy Wrap Travel Well, Travel Often, Travel Light scarf. You want me to go get mine so I don't have to open this one? I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'll be right back. And she's back. Alright, so this is what the scarf looks like. You guys, I don't even know if you can handle it. It's almost like a throw blanket. Look at this. Holy amazing scarf. It is so warm. Like, it's not even the kind of thing that I can put on in the house. It's so warm. It's so squishy. Oh, I love it. This is going to somebody special. Okay, be on the lookout. Okay, so the next thing in the box. Okay, so next thing that I have in my box is the Wish Rosehip and Lotus Nourishing Dew Mask. This is an intense treatment. Talk about making your skin feel amazing and dewy, and this time of year your skin gets super dull and super dry. So things like this are great for your skin. Let's see, on the back it tells you it boosts skin's moisture, reduces appearance of fine lines, and reduces appearance of inflammation. All things that us ladies love. Alright, so the next thing I have here is the Real Her Playbook, which is an eyeshadow palette. Let me open this up for you guys. This is the number 2 palette. Yes, this is a palette of 9 eyeshadows, absolutely beautiful. I do have this one already, so I'm not going to swatch this, but it is so pigmented, and this is such a classic eyeshadow. It matches, I think it's 3 matte shadows? Yeah, 3 matte shadows, a couple metallics, and 2 sparkles. So pretty. Oh, this is a great palette, and it's really good to travel with too because it's small and compact, and the eyeshadows are really super blendable, so you can't complain about this one. You can't. You just can't. There's no complaints. There's no complaints. The next thing in here is the Spongel Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is what it looks like, you guys. Now, this is one of those sponges that has the body wash already in it. I love this first time around. It's so squishy and easy. Again, another thing that I love to bring when I travel, because then I don't have to bring body wash and a sponge. You just bring this. It's so good. Oh, it smells delicious. What is that scent? Oh, Bulgarian rose. I love that rose smell. It's so delicious. The next thing in the box is a Muscle Soak, is a Himalayan salt, excuse me, and this is meant to put inside your bath. You put about 2 ounces of the bath salt bottle into warm water, and then you take a bath, and it helps relaxes you. It helps just bring out all the impurities in your body. Hello! I need to relax, and this is 100% natural. I need to take more baths. I'm a shower girl. I don't take a lot of baths. There's something about just laying in a bath normally just doesn't appeal to me, but when I get out of a bath I feel great. So I need to use this. I need to just relax and decompress, and I've been exercising, so like something like this will absolutely help me. Next thing here, ooh, I know what this is. This is the bag. This is the bag. This is a beautiful denim gym bag. I think mine says beach please or something like that. My other one says, I have it downstairs with all my stuff. This one says, will work out for cupcakes. Absolutely, I will work out for cupcakes. I will work out for cupcakes hotcakes. Let's be honest, this probably won't be a gym bag for me. This might more be something functional to use at my everyday life, just keeping stuff in my car, but you know, I'm not exactly a gym rat. I mean, I'll go to the gym, but like, I could really do without. Like, I'm not crazy about it, but this gym bag is super cute. And I love the denim. I love the denim combination. The last thing here in the, actually no, there's two things in the box. There's something from Makeup Drop. What's this? Oh, this is a silicone makeup applicator. I didn't know this was in the box for some reason. Okay, let's open this up. Let's open you up. Oh, it's one of those silicone, like a flat silicone applicator. That's cute. Now, I've never actually used these. I've seen them before, but I don't really wear foundation a whole lot. I'm actually wearing BB cream today, but I don't really use foundation a whole lot anymore, but I'm absolutely down to try this. I mean, this is so, God, this is actually just really fun and smushy. I like that. And it's like a stress ball, to be honest. It's like a little stress ball. So this, again, this is from the Makeup Drop. Don't waste a drop. Silicone makeup applicator. All right. Okay, so now the last thing. I always try to save the jewelry for last because it's always my favorite part from my FabFitFun unboxings. Summer and Rose. Let's see what you are. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Oh, these are adorable. Can you guys see that? It's these little dangle earrings. Oh, they're so cute. I love that. They're so dainty and pretty. And they're rose gold, and they're like little little bars, and then they dangle. Oh, that's adorable. How sweet. FabFitFun always sends us their most sweetest jewelry. I mean, they're just so, so pretty. I love those. I'm a huge fan. Wow, how gorgeous are you? All right, well, FabFitFun, you guys outdid yourselves again for this editor's box. All these products, great. They're great. I love these boxes. And again, thank you so much for FabFitFun for sending this my way. If you guys are interested in checking out FabFitFun, I will put a link in the description bar for you guys, and check out my coupon codes. They'll save you some dough. $39.99 for a value of over $200. Can't really beat that. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.